a secret camp of Fulani herdsmen in Anambra state, and this camp is where all the whole Fulani herdsmen is being herding their cow. They say that in their numbers there are thousands, and all of them wey dey for inside that place are with wetin they call kala, which is AK. They say that a lot of things wey dey happen for Anambra, they come outside from inside that place. And who built this camp? Who is the sponsor of this particular camp? They say is N0w, the billionaire of Anambra. N0w now, N0w. They say na him build that particular camp where they see for inside that place, where we say now there many things they happen to our people. So Anambra people, what is going on? Are you people keeping quiet? Anambra of N0w. I'm going to play the voice, but before we go inside, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time when you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video and make sure you follow and subscribe to this channel, so that anytime we will drop update and turn your notification bell, you'll be the first person we're going to get our update back to back. Okay, my people, let's jump inside this matter. I'm going to play this leaking voice note for you to hear wetin dey go on for inside Anambra as we dey talk right now.
N0w high school class of 90. Okay, man. I made this voice message in response to this post about IPOB reaction that was on my Gabon post. When you made this post when N0w as I'm making this voice message now, and I'm follow if I may expect now the possible in Anambra state. I am fully an Albany. Always some operatives of the vigilante group N0w, one of their commander, one connect all of friends. So in the process of my discussion with him, the guy will go and no about anything on follow na find a cool Fulani herdsmen. Now one of the problem and threat and I face in this area. When I see that I thought na even during the Soludo, during the former governor Obiano era, now the southeast governors need to N0w will arrive at a decision, even now signing into law that it is illegal for Fulani people to be herding cows in the southeast. How manages the guy when promise na this night? Now I can man up na handle arrangement following this night where je gosim if any N0w. So to my greater surprise, around 11 p.m. this night or Friday, now I joined them. We're governing N0w. Just N0w RCC, that remote construction company, their construction site na N0w, that express road, N0w express road, very close to Zone 13 headquarters, police headquarters. Near that RCC construction company by the right, a crossover, a full Zone 13, police Zone 13 headquarters, then a full Dunukofia local government headquarters. So, I'm behind this place, just very close to that Zone 13, police Zone 13 headquarters. These guys help them now, weje gosim ebe ekretilu camp for Fulani herdsmen. their numbers are uncountable. If there, it runs into thousands. But they are female. They just created a community for them. There. If I run a call, I call. If I go with N0w now, so I will go in the thing. When I do have, I'm very, very shocked to be seeing this thing. I'm such a thing that exists in Anambra State. Do you know what they told me? Now, how I know when they live at risk in this environment, they can't do anything. You see how why? I say because no one do involve atheism. That no atheism. We create that place for the Fulani herdsmen to be their place of residence, and they don't know when they protect her. So now, without him, they can do anything. Then Nahawa do ready to strike and sack them from that place. Na appears with the protection the people will. So to me, when I say so, now this thing I know about appears working for. Working against the interest and the security of N0w is truth. I want to know the reality there. Now, if I were a big threat, go to this place, I cannot if I age due to the political interest and protection the people want. So when I go, how safe can the environment do? So when I see living. Now there were a lot of kidnapped victims. Now recently, they told me about one citizen of N0w, one of the most influential citizens of N0w, the N0w abduct. That a ransom of 15 million was paid. That's about 3 weeks ago, before the guy was released. I track or we know some guys from that Fulani herdsmen. With kidnap the guy. 2 of them were arrested and handed over to the Zone 13 police headquarters. Now, how far about those suspects? So why N0w? Because of this IPOB press release in their online now, wherefore Ozonwa post. So many of us are if an why some people will believe so much in ESN and whatever. But I know Mepelofuma just about 1 hour ago can only this encounter. And it woke me up to a lot of realities. As in, I will carry out more investigation. And then I will sit down and write an article that will wake up the people that are concerned to understand the danger that is facing Anambra State, the security threat that is facing Anambra State. Because if N0w for Albania, I want a solution to it, to counter it. Anambra State is in danger. Because if we go to these people, no, if their numbers and the individual are armed with AK-47 rifles, maybe 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the morning, but if I have enough farms on the mud, you can't talk, you can't do anything. So, after China, Albania, Nsimba, Namaya Washington, so financially go N0w because all the while I never knew. If the Fulani herdsmen, now I should say go or to government is a deceive on the mother because my fellow N0w high school class of 90 members, and I'm going today. Or if any no follow na media, they believe. The propaganda of government do too much and they deceive the citizens. Haneme hana agwa no bika haneme. Apeze n'ugbo Eze N0w is working against the interest of N0w. Eze N0w create a camp for Fulani herdsmen, or you have to spread this news. I'm coming up with a destructive article on this issue because this is a security threat to N0w. It is a security threat. I'm a prominent Igbo citizen like Eze N0w. We go so low to sell off N0w because of the interest to protect his oil well and to be in the good book of the Fulani politicians and the rulers of this country. So if I can say I can contribute, sometimes I don't misunderstand the people who never agitate for Biafra. But going by Ifeanyi and Fulani, I don't have to blame them, or the so-called ESN. I don't have to blame them, because the more they cry, the more the people now suppressing N0w makes them to appear. Na Ifeanyi eme wonkolili. Mana eziokwu ka ha na-ekwu. Awugham a member of IPOB, awugham an official member of ESN. But I'm just saying the truth and nothing but the truth. Anambra State is in security danger based on if I am now about N0w today.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, if you know any information, you know anything concerning this particular camp in Anambra State, do not hesitate to drop it in a comment section and share this video as many as you can. Okay, my people, drop your own opinion and we'll talk about this video for inside the comment section. Thank you.